Welcome to the International Biomedical Job Updates of Europe. Company name Novacure, position Risk and Validation Quality Engineer in Medical Devices, qualification Degree in Biomedical Engineering or related disciplines is mandatory. Experience in risk management and validation in medical devices is mostly preferred. Next, company name Leva Nova. Location Italy. Role Senior Product Manager in Medical Device. Qualification BE Biomedical Engineering. Experience 5 plus years of product management experience is mandatory. Next, hospital name Conquest Hospital. Location England. Role Lead Biomedical Scientist. Qualification based in biomedical science or equivalent is enough. Experience in histological department is mostly preferred. Next, organization name Canterbury Christchurch University. Location England. Position principal lecturer or render in biomedical science. Qualification PhD in biomedical science is mostly preferred. Next, company name Striker. Location Cork Island. Role Principal Engineer or Manufacturing. Qualification Level 8 Honors Degree in Engineering is preferred. Experience minimum of 8 years in manufacturing is mostly preferred. Next, company name Fresenius Medical Care. Location Cremona, Italy. Role Senior R&D Engineer. Qualification Degree or similar education in bioengineering or mechanical engineering is preferred. Next, company name Onera Health. Location Eindhoven, North Brabant, Netherlands. Role System Architect in Medical Devices. Schedule full time. Qualification Bachelor's or Master's degree in Electrical Engineering. Next, company name Digital Motion. Location Switzerland. Role Post Market Surveillance Specialist. Work mode on site. Education requirements bachelor's degree in a relevant field in life sciences or biomedical sciences. Next, company name Fresenius Medical Care. Role Senior R&D Engineer. Education Degree or equivalent in bioengineering or mechanical engineering is preferred. Experience 7 plus years in similar role is mostly preferred. Location Cremona, Italy. Next, company name Aurora Health. Role System Architect in Medical Devices. Education Bachelor's or Master's degree in Electrical Engineering. Experience minimum of 8 years in system architecture and design. You can directly apply through this given details. Follow for more updates on international biomedical job updates.